Good evening. Hello, everybody. I'm just going live on Facebook because these days. Uh, hello, everybody. How is it going? How was the 31st of March? Hope you cleared your taxes. What's going on? Alright, now this is. Hi, everybody. Hi, Krishna. Hi, darling. Hi. Hi, love. Hello, everyone. So, today, obviously I was getting ready and listening to some speeches, and today whose speech I heard was Prince EA. He's a dear friend as well, and I love the way he think and the way he make videos about life. Hi everybody. Hello. Hi Avish. So today I saw a video that says stop wasting time, and I so agree with it. So there is a concept of saying that what you do in your free time decides your future. You tell me what you do when you have nothing else to do, and actually one can predict that how far in your life you're going to go. So if you're somebody कि जब भी आपके पास time होता है, you're always scrolling your Twitter, Instagram and Facebook, then that says that you are not gonna go so far, because आपका जो mind है, it needs constant training. और अगर आप consciously अपने mind को train नहीं करोगे ना, then subconsciously जो भी रेडियो में सुन रहे हो, जो भी गाने आप सुन रहे हो, the way you are reacting to the outside news and everything else is going to affect your mindset and the way you think about your goals and everything around it. So it is better कि जब भी आप कार चलाएं, या जब भी आप घर पे अकेले हों, या जब भी आपको लगे कि you have a lot of time, might as well you make sure that you feed your mind the information that supports your goal, not anything random, not anything that is not gonna actually motivate you or make you feel good. Alright, so here I am gonna go on. Ha ha ha. Hello everybody. Hi Vishal. Hi everyone. Yes, all shiny. Henna, love it. Okay. Hi everyone. Here. Oh, I am going to fall. Yes. What's happening? Do you like the dress? I find it pretty cute. Isn't it nice? Hello? Hello everybody. Hi darling. Hi Karan. Hi love. Hi. What's up? Damn. Oh God. Okay. Hi. Okay, so I think here it didn't work out. So yes, this dress is so nice. You want it? If you like the dress, if you wanna buy it, you can have it from the wardrobe section on Anveshijan app. Whatever you see here, other than me, of course, is for sale. I mean, just the outfit, not even this. I love it. Yeah. Hi everybody. How are you guys feeling? Is it scary for you? क्या आप लोगों को डर लग रहा है कि वापस से बॉम्बे में लॉकडाउन हो जाएगा, then आप क्या करेंगे? I hope you're not worried. ना everything is gonna be fine. सब ठीक हो जाएगा, and I don't think so कि पूरी तरीके से पहले के जैसा लॉकडाउन लगा पाएंगे. Although मेरा भी जो शूट है वो कैंसिल होकर शिफ्ट हुआ है अभी, but then ठीक है यार, it's okay. Life goes on. We'll figure out something, है ना? Hi Santosh. Hey. Hi Anveshijan Obsessed. How are you feeling now? What's up? Let me see. मैंने बहुत दिनों से ना किसी को लाइव नहीं लिया है. Let me see who wants to go live. Devi, Sahi Chaudhary, then Vikram Singh, then Prachi. About. Oh God. Damn. So many requests. Thank you, Sagar Singh. Thank you, darling. Alright, darling. So as I said, don't waste time. And second thing that I've learned in life is don't try and fix people. आपको तो पता है ना मुझे बातें करने का कितना शौक है. And wherever I see that some of my friends are not in the right mind, not in the right state, I try and fix them. I try and change them, and I try and I spend so much of energy, and I'm sure आप भी ऐसे हैं जो कि आप कोशिश करते हैं कि if you can change somebody, if they can be better, if they can actually change for their own good, nothing for you, but उनके लिए अगर आप उनको change कर पाए तो कितना अच्छा रहेगा ना. But you know, eventually I realize that people need to go through what they need to go through, you know, otherwise maybe you'll be taking away the mistakes and the lessons that they're supposed to learn to grow better in life, you know. Hi Ankit Baba, thank you so much. Hey, thank you. New friend को ले लूँ live. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ on Anveshi app, and I hope to see you there. And yeah, take care. I love you so very much. You're fine. You're perfect the way you are. And yes, I think eventually it comes down to take people, take your lover, take your friend, take your family, however they are. Don't expect them to change so soon. Things will be fine. You will be better. They will be better too. You don't have to worry so much. अगर आप अपने बच्चों की केयर कर रहे हैं, चिंता कर रहे हैं कि दे सुनता नहीं है, change नहीं हो रहा है. My brother is in that phase when, you know, he wants no suggestion, no guidance, nothing, and he wants to live his life, and he's doing that, and I allow him to, because hey, we all have a journey that nobody else can cover for us, right? सब ठीक हो जाएगा. Take care of yourself. I love you, and this is how I am looking tonight. Do you like what I'm wearing? This dress is quite transparent, so yeah. Bye bye. Ta-ta. I love you. Bye. Bye.